Hey guys, it's Derek from the Olive Oil Co. Today we are making a pomegranate balsamic marinade. This marinade you can make for any meat you want. You could do steak, chicken, pork chops, tofu, anything you desire. Tonight we are using pork chops from Old 99 Farm, Nick's Picks Organics again. Organically fed pig, you can't get any better than that. This marinade is one of the easiest recipes that we have on our website. All you need for products from our store is the pomegranate dark balsamic and the garlic infused olive oil. And the garlic, by now everybody has it in their home. It's the #1 seller. To start for your marinade, you're going to need a tablespoon of Dijon mustard, as well as 2 teaspoons of salt. For the pomegranate balsamic, we are adding 1/3 cup. You just want to grab your whisk, get that all nicely mixed together. Now we have our 1/4 cup of the garlic infused olive oil. This is the part where you want to make sure that you add the oil to this mixture and keep mixing as you're doing that, so your marinade becomes nice and creamy. Of course, as always, the smell of garlic with this oil just permeates the room and smells amazing. As you can see now, it's getting a bit thicker. It's emulsifying nicely, so it's about time to put it in our bag. So we've got our gorgeous pork chops ready to go. Let's take our marinade. Just add that to our bag. Oh, very nice and creamy. What we want. Discard that. I'm going to take our pork chops. Right in there. And we'll just take that, we'll zip it up. And make sure we get both sides of our chops nice and coated. And those, I'd say, look pretty good for now. So once you have these coated, you want to put them in the fridge, have them marinate for 4 to 6 hours. So we'll see you in a bit. Alright guys, our pork chops have been sitting in the fridge for 4 to 6 hours. We even turned them over once, halfway through that time. And let's get them cooked up in a cast iron pan. Cast iron pan's nice and hot, so let's get our chops in there. Sizzle. So we're just going to let these cook for 2 to 3 minutes aside. We're going to check them after that and make sure they are 145 degrees in the middle at the thickest point. So now it's just to cook. Alright, we've done both sides for about 5 to 6 minutes each. They're thicker pork chops, so these are ready to go on the plate. That sweet smell of the pomegranate has just got my glands going. Let's get a bite of our pork chop here. It's really nice. Ooh, right away, beautiful sweetness of the pomegranate. Then you get that savory garlic. Oh man. It's another good one, guys. I love it. I know you're gonna love it. Hope you enjoyed this video. See you guys next time. Hey guys, it's Derek from the Olive Oil Co. Today we are making a pomegranate balsamic marinade. Slide was okay on that one. Yeah? For the pomegranate balsamic, we are adding a quarter cup garlic. Good thing I checked. Ooh, a little too far.
Slowly add that while you whisk. Quickly and continuously.
Oh man, I can't get it this time. You can see this? Okay. Just do that. Still, I can't get it. It's dumb. All right, guys, it's been 4 to 6 hours. We have our pork. Start that again. With this recipe, you can either use steak, chicken, pork, tofu, whatever you desire. Tonight, we're doing pork chops. Again, these pork chops come from...
Hi. Did you say something about pork chops?
Yeah?
Well, I hope that's not misspeaking.
Can neither confirm or deny that.